The East Jantia Tourism Environment Promotion Society, in collaboration with DTPS East Jantia Hills District, presents Miss Latuthiñ 2024. Join us on October 18 and 19th as we celebrate the talent and grace of women from all across the region. With a grand first prize of 50,000 rupees, a second prize of 25,000 rupees, and a third prize of 15,000 rupees. And best of all, registration is free and open to all women of 18 years and above. Hurry, as the registration closes on 15 September 2024. Also, don't miss our exciting plastic bottling competition. Collect as many plastic bottles as you can, and you could win big with a first prize of 20,000 rupees for a minimum of 350 bottles, a second prize of 15,000 rupees for 250 bottles, and a third prize of 7,000 rupees for 150 bottles. Don't miss out. Be a part of Miss Latuthiñ 2024 and a plastic bottling competition. For more information, please call 98-560-32780 or 70051 44588.